The living labs of the ProGirect project demonstrate how urban gardening can be implemented in post-industrial neighborhoods. We will have a closer look at two examples from Italy.
Hello to everybody, I'm Wanda Camusso.
And I'm Vittorio Bianco. We work for Fondazione della Comunità di Mirafiori, a community foundation whose goal is to improve the quality of life in Mirafiori district, a neighborhood traditionally associated with Fiat car factory in Torino, Italy.
In our projects we adopt the nature-based solutions because they are a great tool to answer to citizen needs and at the same time allow us to improve urban ecosystem.
This is one of the many small-scale nature-based solutions that have been implemented in Mirafiori thanks to the Horizon 2020 European project ProGirect. Community gardens, educational gardens in schools and container gardens like this one.
The main goal of this garden are to support pollinators' population, and among these the bees of the beehives that are also a part of this nature-based solution. To engage citizens in taking care of their city and to connect them to the nature and their neighbor. But during the COVID-19 lockdown, we used these containers to produce and distribute food for people in need. This is an example of how nature-based solutions can make our communities more resilient.
We have great expectations for nature. For our organization, it's very important to find inspiration, exchange good practices. It would also be a great tool to build new partnerships for future projects.
The Association Orti Generali is an association that works on the urban requalification and transformation of public green areas. We are located in Parco Piemonte, which is in the district of Mirafiori Sud in Turin. And the aim of the association of this work is to foster social inclusion and also community building by using urban agriculture. We have in concession an area of 3 hectares. 2 hectares are used for urban gardening and 1 other hectare is used for educational and training activities. The area in concession is managed only by the association, so in this way the management of green areas is no longer a cost for the municipality. Instead is a value for the city, gain value for the city. There are 3 different typologies of allotment. We have social gardens for people that has in economic difficulties, so they pay a little fee in change of some hours of volunteering in the project. We have also a special rental price for under 35 people to encourage young people to come here and do agriculture. And then there is the standard fee, the standard price. At the moment, we have a huge waiting list of more than 150 people, citizens interested in urban garden and that are searching for allotment in the city.
As geographers, we are working on understanding how nature-based solutions can play a role in changing post-industrial neighborhoods and areas of the city. And more specifically, we are working on how the most important green infrastructures here in Mirafiori, like the Sangone River, can change physically and symbolically this neighborhood and this part of the city, providing new functions and new public spaces like this one where we are shooting now. And moreover, we are focusing as a broader group of Food Atlas on how nature-based solutions can intersect food systems at different scales, from the global one, like for what concerns, for example, pollinators and their role in providing energy to food system by pollinating plants, but also at the neighborhood scale, because nature-based solution can become part of a more of a wider change of food systems also at the local scale.